hot. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Aloha friends and welcome back. My name is Joanna and these are my kitchen adventures. Today I am going to take you back a little bit to show you how I put together some chili. It's a very basic recipe that takes a few ingredients that might be in your kitchen pantry today. So let's get started. Here are a few simple ingredients that you'll need to make this chili. We've got 2 cans of kidney beans, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, a pound of ground hamburger, and your spices: salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and shoyu. First, we're going to start with some ground beef. We're going to get that nice and brown. What I like about this recipe is you can really do so much with it. You can use different kind of meat to your preference. You can use different beans and different spices and change things up. This is just our family's way of making this chili that we love, love, love. So while the meat is cooking, I like to spice up my meat. So I'm gonna salt with my heart, pepper with my heart. You can just really do as many spices as you like. Some garlic powder. I like to put lots of dried onion in there. And that's just to really get everything started. It's very fragrant and aromatic as it cooks all those flavors together. So this will take a few minutes, and just keep going until your meat is browned and cooked through. You can leave your meat chunky or you can make it smaller. Again, it's all in your preference, which is a great way to cook because you can just take a recipe and use it as a guideline and then really make the meal your own. Already smells really good. Now that our hamburger meat is well browned and our seasons are starting to really kick in, we're going to add our tomatoes. So this is 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And then we're going to add our kidney beans. We like our chili with all the juices. So feel free to rinse your kidney beans if you like. Now we're going to just get that stirred together. So we like the ratio of 1 pound of hamburger to 2 cans of tomatoes and 2 cans of beans. You can put more or less on it if you like. We find that that works the best and our family loves it. Now that that's combined, we're going to add the lid, turn it down to medium low, and let that simmer for about 30 minutes. All right, let's see what we've got. That is about it. A lot of our liquid has boiled off. You could always leave the lid off if you want it a little thicker. And we usually will taste it at this point. Okay, so in my zeal to make some chili, I forgot the chili powder. So we're gonna add that now. I like mine less spicy, and my husband likes his more. So I try to come to a agreeable middle. So the usual time I put my chili powder in is when I'm doing my meat to season it, and do it with your seasonings together. So let that cook for another few minutes to get the seasoning well incorporated. I might put a little bit of more salt. And to finish the chili, we like to put shoyu. I know, maybe it's just a Hawaiian thing, but we feel that it adds the perfect balance to a simple chili recipe. There you have it. So here we have our chili. So again, it's a family favorite. It's when we were first married, I did not want to eat chili from a can. So I had to come up with a way for us to have chili because we enjoy it. So the recipe has evolved over time, but really we have settled on this as the best for us, that we love to enjoy and we love to share with our family and our friends. So we usually put ours over rice. That's usually how we've had it for as long as we've had chili together. So we put it over rice. We added some cheese and sour cream, but you do you. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming along on this kitchen adventure with me, and I'll see you again next time.